Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic LUSC. There's been a massive pump on Terra Classic. The volume of Terra Classic actually hit over 157% increase in price, taking the volume to over $125 million. Now, one of the interesting things is that most of this trading volume is coming from those that are actually buying Terra Classic. So that is one amazing thing. Yes, a lot of people have actually bought Terra Classic, and they did this through Binance. Mostly, Binance controls over 45% of this volume, and I'm happy to see that at least Terra Classic, we believe many more people will rush to buy this coin more, especially now Terra Classic have gained a lot today, and I believe for that rise to continue tomorrow and then this week. Now for me, I think very soon Terra Classic volume will be hitting back at over 300 million or $500 million trading volume in a single day. Let's keep hoping for the best to come, and I believe that before the end of this month something different is going to happen, especially on crypto industry in general. I believe BTC is still going to increase more. BTC this year is set to really increase. BTC this year is set to massively pump in price this year, and I hope Terra Classic also will continue to rise in price. Please kindly subscribe, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next update on Terra Classic and other crypto coins. Once again, thank you for stopping by.